Greetings from the Institute for Excellence in Corporate Governance at UT Dallas. My name is Greg Ballou. I serve as Executive Director of the Institute, and I'm joined today by Don Haghighi. Don is a guest speaker for our annual conference, our 19th annual conference, scheduled for September 22nd in the fall. And we're going to get together live. We're calling it Homecoming on campus at UT Dallas. Don, thank you so much for agreeing to speak to our group. So tell me a little bit about what you plan to cover.
Well, first of all, Greg, thank you so much for inviting me. And I'm beyond delighted that we actually can be in person in Dallas for this conference. I'm looking forward to interacting with all of the participants. And your team has put together a spectacular lineup of corporate governance experts to talk about board agenda priorities post-pandemic. And of course, cybersecurity and ransomware continues to be at the top of the board agenda, particularly with Secretary of Homeland Security Mayorkas declaring that ransomware has now risen to a level of a national security threat. And so with that, I'm really excited to announce that we have a unique program for the conference. We are going to do an actual cybersecurity ransomware tabletop exercise. And I will be conducting it with two globally recognized cybersecurity experts, Brett Leatherman, who is with the FBI, supervising agent in charge, cyber, right there in the Dallas office, and Jana Monroe, who is the chief global security officer for Herbalife and retired FBI agent in charge for the Los Angeles office. Now, for people who haven't participated in a tabletop, what is it? Think of it as a cybersecurity fire drill. It's going to be an interactive session with the participants. We're going to simulate an actual ransomware attack. And we're going to use it as an exercise to enable us to test the readiness of the board and the management in responding and test the effectiveness of an incident response plan. And Greg, as we look at the news, we see with increasing frequency the number of ransomware attacks that are happening and the frequency to which they are happening. And that really underscores the importance of testing for readiness. Testing is critical to building a cyber resilient company. And so we use that as a basis for developing this exercise. And what we will be doing is giving practical guidance to the attendees to take away on how to build a board level cybersecurity review program and testing program. So we look forward to participating. Thank you.
Don, that sounds awesome. Again, thank you for so much for agreeing to do this. And there's actually more. This is just one of several events or activities that we have planned for our day. So if this intrigues you, take action now, sign up, reserve your spot. The details are included in the related material. And Don and I look forward to seeing you on September 22nd.
See you in Dallas.
See you in Dallas in person.